Got the new Blackstone 36-inch. Gonna break it in, gonna season it, and get it ready to go. Got it on high heat, and we're just letting this get discolored for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna put on some avocado oil, use a paper towel and spread it on, and I don't know, do 3 to 5 coats of that and see how dark we can get this baby. Alright, got our paper towel and our tongs, got our avocado oil. We're gonna keep this first layer nice and thin, 2 tablespoons or so. Just gonna move it all around. Get inside it. On top. Outside. First layer's done. It's been about 5 or so minutes. We'll keep it going. The smoke's done. About to do another layer, but it's looking good. Getting nice and dark. All right, let's do the second layer. I moved to the shop towels because the other regular towels was flaky. So nice and steady. Let's do it. Alright, the second coating's on. We're going to let it burn off. We'll wait about 10 minutes or so and come back, do number 3. You can see I switched back to the white paper towel. It turns out both types of towels kind of flake off a little bit. Alright, 5th and final pass. Remember, I used avocado oil, but you can use pretty much any high smoke point oil, canola oil, and it will work just fine. Really, with the seasoning process, you're trying to make sure the griddle is non-stick. Makes for easy to cook on and for cleaning. On the corners, you can see that I didn't get as much seasoning. I don't really worry about that as I cook. It'll season, but you can take a flame torch to it and get the corners a little better if you want to. There it is. 5 coats later. Nice and dark. Ready to go. Once again, I used avocado, did 5 layers. And it's looking good. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like and subscribe.